Hi, this is Richard Chamberlain. Welcome back to the Protecting Your Family's Future podcast. This is episode number 118. Today, we're going to be talking about whether a trust can own real estate in different states. Now, this question actually came up yesterday. I was talking to a person who reached out to me. She lives in Texas, and she had been told by an attorney's office there that because she owned real estate in Ohio, she needed to get an attorney in Ohio to create a trust for her in Ohio to own that Ohio real estate. Well, in the course of my discussion with her, I discovered that she did not have an estate plan of her own. She did not have her own will. She did not have her own trust or power of attorney or anything. What I told her was, you need to speak with an attorney, an experienced estate planning attorney in Texas where you are, because that attorney can set up a trust for you, and that trust can own your real estate in Texas, and that same trust can own your real estate in Ohio or in any other state that you own real estate. In fact, that's a big reason why some people will set up a trust, because they own real estate in more than one state. They want to avoid probate. And we have a lot of information on the podcast about why do you want to avoid probate. If you haven't heard those episodes, scroll through. There are lots of episodes that we've done covering why avoid probate. But if you have real estate in more than one state, you're going to have a probate in each one of those states, unless you have those pieces of real estate owned in a trust. And that one trust that you have, wherever you live, if you live in Ohio and you have real estate in Ohio and multiple states, that Ohio trust can own all of your real estate. If you live in Texas, your Texas trust can own your Texas real estate and all of your real estate in any different state that you own it. So you need one trust. You don't need multiple trusts to own real estate in multiple states. So it's really important to get good advice from an experienced estate planning attorney who knows what they're talking about, so you don't get the wrong advice from someone. I was happy to refer her back to an attorney in Texas who can give her good advice so that she can get a trust and an estate plan set up for her that will meet all of her needs. She did not need to work with me to do that. She needed to work with somebody in Texas who could help her. So if you have real estate in multiple states, make sure you get an estate plan that's going to meet your needs and avoid probate in all of those states. If you live in Ohio or in Michigan, we can help you set that plan up. Just reach out to us. Our contact information is in the show notes. I hope that's helpful for you today, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.